What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and we've got a fun sponsor today. This time it's from Astercook. This is their 21-piece kitchen cookware set. It actually comes with, right here on the side, a 10-inch saute pan, a 10-inch frying pan, 8-inch frying pan, 8-inch saucepan, 7-inch saucepan, 7 and 8-inch fridge storage lip, and silicone lip, and 4-piece pot protectors. But the really cool thing about this isn't the necessarily the accessories or pans themselves. It's the unique way that the handles are actually used. So we can actually remove the handles at any time, which makes these really good for baking. And all of the products, regardless of the type, are non-stick, which means it's really great for cooking in general. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at what everything looks like, see what the quality is like, because already I'm seeing some really interesting concepts that aren't in other kitchenware. For example, this lid. This is a rubber outer lid with a glass top, meaning it's going to fit over pretty much any size pan without having to be exact, because we're just using these little grommets on the side. So that's actually really interesting and cool there. Let's go ahead and pull the rest of these out. Now we are giving quite a few utensils. We've got really nice wood handles on all of these, and the spatulas and spoons here. And we also have a nice wooden grip on these tongs as well. Now, here you can see what I was talking about with the handles themselves. These are actually really high-tech handles that you can see actually lock into place. And when you press this, it'll let go. The cool thing is these don't even need to be used with these specific pans. It has a rubber grip on the side that can grab onto pretty much anything and hold on to it. So these are going to be super, super useful in your cabinet drawer, and obviously useful for this specific set. We've got a nice table utensil holder here, so we can just place that down and drop these in. And just like that, we've got a nice way to store our utensils without getting anything dirty. Actually, I think that's probably the opposite here, just like that. There we go. That way we don't get anything dirty. So let's continue in. We've got some really nice pot handles here. I know it's kind of silly to say, but these feel like stone, maybe? Or really hard painted metal or plastic or something. So it has a nice design on it at least, and an interesting aesthetic, and it feels really nice in the hand. So that's kind of cool. Now we're getting to the good stuff. So we've got an 8-inch pot here, and this is, let's see, supreme level aluminum. So this is an aluminum, feels of cast iron, and it does have their anti-stick tech in this, so it should last and continue being anti-stick for quite some time. I personally would avoid trying to scratch it or things like that using metal utensils on it, which is why all of the provided ones are rubber and safe for this, but they do claim that this is going to be anti-stick for a very long time, and they provide a warranty to back it as well. And we're given a 10-inch pot as well, and still plenty of goodies in here to check out. Very nicely packed. They give us some thick fabric in between each one to make sure nothing gets scratched up. Speaking of, assuming this is another one of the handles. Yep. So another one of those really high-tech handles. Very cool to see. Just grab any type of pot, for example these, lock it in place, and it's good to go. It's not going to come off or anything. When you want to let it go, press this button and it pops right off. So very cool stuff. You can have this in the oven or anything like that, and then when you're ready to take it out, you just snap this on and you're good to go. If we continue through, we've got some more actual pans here. So getting more towards the pan territory with not quite as deep type of, what do you call it? What kind of pan is this? It's just a pan. That's it. Looks like we've got a wok here because there are different types of pans. This is a wok style design, I think. It's a much deeper pan, I'll say that. And then if we continue on, we've got a classic breakfast style pan, I'll call that. Why not? So lots of great stuff in here. All of it feels really quality. Heat dissipation is designed to work across any stove style, whether it's electric or gas stoves or anything like that. It does have the heat dissipating metal on the bottom. That way it ensures that it goes through the entire pan, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's it for this one. That's it for this one. I'm going to put a link to them in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.